Hello, welcome back. So let's go back to 50 years past. And about 50 years ago, this is how we are storing our information. In this left hand side, we are storing our court files in this way. We are storing our bank statement in this small cabinet. We are storing our birth certificates in this office. And what happens whenever we have more certificates like this, then we cannot fit in this house. Then what happens? We are going to spill them to the corridors or somewhere. So what I want to understand here, if we store information like this, what is the problem? So what are the issues that we are going to face if we store like this? So first thing is that searching for an information is extremely difficult. Like say for example, I'm asking you, give me my certificates. I was born in 1923, and if those information are there in somewhere in this mess, but it is going to extremely difficult to get exactly that information. So, and also maybe sometimes it may not be at all possible to get any information out of this mess. Number two is, where do I put new information? So let's say that's called insert. So what do I, like if I get a new birth certificate, where I'm going to put it? It's like the first thing that I need to put them in arranged order, or basically I may like to put them in centuries, like 1923 in one place, 1924 in another place, but the way it is stored looks like I can't do it. Okay, so therefore putting new information may be difficult. In this scenario it may be good because at least a little bit of arranged way, but definitely not in this case. Okay, so that was the second problem. And third problem is, let's say for example, what happened if for whatever reason this office wiped out, or some natural calamities happened and then this information lost, then we are not in a position to recover it from anywhere. Okay, so that means we might lose the information completely. So lost information. Okay, and number four, we have already discussed that if we have more records, if we have more certificates, then we might need to find out some other way to scale it. Okay, so that is the problem that used to happen about 50 years ago when we were storing information. But at this point this is maybe in 1950 or something. Okay, so we are now almost 2012, and yeah, things have changed, and definitely we are not storing information like this. So we are storing information in different way. So what we're going to discuss in this complete course, how do you store this information, how to build an information management system. Thanks for joining the class.